when we talk of youngsters, we have to remember they're delicate. Talking to them is the last thing you do. Listening to them is the first thing you do. Can you listen? Can you then appreciate? And then allow them the freedom to fail, but do not let them fall and just be around them, all the time around them. Fail, they will. Can you handle that failure? Because that they cannot handle.
Very well
That they
said.
cannot handle.
Very
And
well said.
this takes lot of maturity. And this is the war. A war where I say war means wise, accountable, but yet responsible for that young mind.
Wow.
It's
I'll
not a
take
war
this.
of guns and bullets. Here, I think, especially I'm talking about the mid and the senior level people, they just talk anything. They just talk anything without realizing who's listening. Could be your son, daughter, could be that youngster, and he will say, is that the kind of people I will work with? Is that their thinking? Is this is the way they work? You're spoiling them. The culture actually starts from the top, and that means listening, all the time listening, all the time listening, speaking only when it is necessary, with the right words, sequence, something that then becomes a bullet and strikes it. And then these guys know they're at the right place, and I can tell you they can move mountains. And I've seen that the project which TDP actually sponsored, हमने तो बहुत मांगा था पर इन्होंने दिया. That's not important what we asked, but they gave and we returned the money in time. It was a nanoparticle formulation of a cancer drug, sir. Paclitaxel nanoparticle. And nanoparticle, you know, we talk about it, but I can tell you 73 batches we failed. 73 batches, and each batch was like 5,000 vials, and each vial, I can tell you, is like $100 a vial. That kind of money we wasted. And almost like we were calling off the project, and we had already put in some 150 crores in putting up a commercial plant. Who broke that project? Not my vice president R&D, not my general manager R&D. It was a young scientist from a university who just spent a couple of years in the company, cracked it. The last mile was done by him. Thanks to the environment into the company, thanks to the small boutique research centers that we have, not more than 50 people, end to end. We have multiple such small R&D centers where they have full company available, be it business development, financial controllers, administrators, be it scientists, of course, they are there, be it a regulatory affairs guy or be it a clinical head. Everybody is available in that ecosystem. They don't have to go to the rest of the company. That wall is cut. Make fun, make mistakes, live here, succeed. That's the point. And the top guy is everywhere. He's everywhere.